Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening both the source workbook that holds the live content and the destination workbook where you want the live link. Once both files are open, save the source file so Excel has a consistent path. This prevents broken links later. Next, choose the exact cell or a named range in the source you want to reference and decide the visible label text in the destination. Now, move to the destination sheet and prepare a cell for the formula. We'll build an external reference next. Now you construct the live link. For a direct updating reference type, =C/folder/source. XLSX sheet 1, A1. This reads the source cell value live when both files are available. Alternatively, to make a clickable link with a label, use hyperlink, C/folder/source. XLSX sheet 1, A1, my label. Once done, press enter and watch Excel pull the value or create the clickable label. Make sure to use the exact sheet name and cell, and test a simple cell. Finish by saving both workbooks and then closing and reopening the destination to confirm the live connection persists. When Excel prompts, choose to update links so the current values are retrieved. Make sure Excel's Trust Center allows external content. If you need to change the source later, use data edit links to repoint or update. Troubleshooting tip. If the link fails, verify the full file path and sheet/cell spelling, ensure the source is saved, and confirm Excel is allowed to update external links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.